Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this video abandoned error. Processing abandoned, the video could not be processed. Let me show you that this error could be because your video size is more than 128 GB, that YouTube doesn't support that size. But if your video size is less than 128 GB, there may be other reasons. Like that, in my case, my video rendering was not complete. If you see, when I play that video on my player, it does not play. There can be many reasons for this error, but in my case, this error is because my video is not rendering completely. So for that, I have to render it or edit it on my editor, and then I will try to upload. Let's get started and re-edit the video. First of all, we have to delete that video because it has no use. So delete the video on YouTube and try to render it on editor. Here on my video editor, I will render it and then we will check that video. Knowing last part, we will upload that new video on YouTube. So let's get started. So after waiting several hours, you can see the processing has been completed. My video has been published. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment below section, and if you like the video, please like the button and hit the subscribe button and support us. Thanks for bye bye.